Lakas ng hangin. Sumasayaw yung puno. Ayan. Oh. It's a nice evening. The temperature is 60. Just windy. Mahangin sa labas. Look at that. It's a nice evening. Super lakas ng hangin. Para kung nasa dagat. That's all guys. So windy night. Thank you for watching.